Good turnout. This is our headquarters. Yes, DJ, this is our headquarters, so feel free to chill here. We have a fire prevention nonprofit. If you guys want to leave your email on the way out, please feel free.
So that song is traditionally sung when different villages, different people would come and enter the village. So what traditionally would happen is we'd have, probably around 10, 15, 20 men standing, singing, welcoming the other tribe, the other village into our village. And it was usually done on days like this. Summer solstice, one of our higher holidays, same with winter solstice. We'd welcome in all the other people from the different villages here to participate with us, singing, games, matchmaking, all different things traditionally. And in that, they always had a head singer. In tradition, we used to have flicker band. So they have a little flicker bird. They have these little feathers, and they would have a headband that they wear. The spiritual leaders or the cultural leaders. So that's a little bit of tradition that if you didn't know, you'd just be like, oh, they're just wearing a headband, a scarf. But it's actually kind of implementing tradition in the modern time and adapting to the environment. That's what,
Bye, Don. Awesome day. Oh, look, it's the end of a long nature preserve day. I was calling it Nature Day. It's too late to be Earth Day. Okay, everybody look at me and smile. You not get hit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Hey, hey. Wait, I'll get in here. Hold on. Everybody in there.
Here, let Cherokee get it.